Engineering solution. This is the robot in one Arduino Uno. It does all as motion, communication, and scan. There are delays. Engineering solution. This is the robot with two Arduino Uno. It works as master, slave, parallel programming. One Arduino works for scanning and the other motion and communications. The I2C serial connection is used. Visual diagram animation script. Master-slave I2C communication. Dual Arduino robotic system. Master-slave architecture in robotic systems. Dual Arduino communication via I2C. Stage 2, distributed processing upgrade. The problem. Why is one Arduino not enough? A single controller must move the robot. Scan the environment. Process data. Communicate. Warning: this creates delays and reduced responsiveness. Engineering solution. Divide responsibilities. Instead of one brain doing everything, we design two specialized brains. 1. Motion controller. 2. Sensor controller. This is called distributed processing. What is master-slave architecture? In a master-slave system, master controls communication. Slave responds to requests. Only one device initiates communication. In our robot, primary Arduino master. Secondary Arduino slave. What is I2C? I2C equals inter-integrated circuit. Communication protocol using SDA data line. SCL clock line. Only 2 wires required. Heavy checkmark simple. Heavy checkmark efficient. Heavy checkmark expandable. Logical communication flow. 1. Master sends request. 2. Slave performs action. 3. Slave returns data. 4. Master decides next step. This cycle repeats continuously. Emphasize: movement never waits unnecessarily. Example in our robot. Scenario: robot is moving forward. Master asks, is there an obstacle? Slave scans and replies, obstacle detected at 25 centimeters. Master decides, turn right. Why this improves performance? Without separation. Movement stops during scanning. With separation. 1. Scanning runs independently. 2. Movement logic stays clean. 3. Better timing accuracy. 4. System scalability. Important engineering concepts. Students should understand. Task separation. Role assignment. Communication protocol. Data flow direction. Responsibility hierarchy. This is systems thinking. What happens if communication fails? Critical thinking questions. What if the slave does not respond? What if data is corrupted? Should the master stop? Should there be a timeout? Discussion may hear. What happens if communication fails? Critical thinking questions. What if the slave does not respond? What if data is corrupted? Should the master stop? Should there be a timeout? Discussion may hear. Key takeaways. 1. Two controllers increase efficiency. 2. I2C enables structured communication. 3. Logic comes before coding. 4. Architecture determines performance. Final message: we design the system logic first. Code is only the implementation.